Hi everyone, we are the Where is Rohan group. The next application that we will show you is Weibo.com. Weibo.com is like the Chinese version of Twitter. At the moment, it only has a Chinese language. But then, at December, they will have an English version of it, and it is said that it will battle with Twitter. You can post up to 140 characters in Weibo. You can use different expressions. You can upload pictures. You can upload videos. You can upload MP3s, and you can start conversations or topics, and you can create a poll. It is effective because all you need to do is to create an account for free and directly post the things that you want to show. You don't need to download or convert anything. Weibo can let you do a lot of things without having to download anything. Right here, you will see how many people you're following. Right beside it, you will see your followers. And beside it, it is how many Weibos you have made. Below, like Twitter, you will see the tweets of other people that you're following. It's really easy to use Weibo. Just type and then it will be shown. See? Thank you for watching our video.